Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert text to shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to convert text to shape in this document. Go to the insert menu, then click the word art option and we can see here many word art. Now I select this, then write anything on this word art. Now I write convert. Then click OK. Now we can see we insert a text, but we want to convert this text to shape. Click the text, then go to the word art option and we can see here the shape fill option or shapes option. Now we can see we convert text to shape very easily. You can change the outline of this text. Otherwise you can apply shape effect. Click the shape tool and apply the shadow effect. Otherwise you can add reflection. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.